Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.3, Problem 21. This is Section 3.3, Problem 21. It says find the perimeter of the triangle. And we have a triangle with 4.5 inches on one side, 3.75 inches on the other side, and 5.125 inches across the bottom. So when the question says find the perimeter, what they're really asking us to do is find the distance all the way around the edges of the triangle. So we just have to add the numbers together. So we'll add 4.5, then plus 3.75, and then 5.125. Now, as I write these numbers so that they can be added together, notice I write them so that the decimals line up vertically. That's very important. I can't have them in different places vertically. They have to line up. Now, I can really start adding it like this, but to really keep things neat, if you like, you can fill in some zeros so you'll have nice, neat columns of digits or stacks of digits. So, start in the far right, 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. Next, 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 more is 7. Next, I have 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 1 more is 13. So I put the 3, carry the 1. And again, that decimal will come straight down so that it's down in the same position in my answer. And now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 more is 13. So I have an answer of 13.375, but because this is a problem that involves units of measure in the question, I really should put units of measure in my answer also. So instead of just 13.375, I really need to say that the answer is 13.375 inches.